Hi, in this video I'll be talking about the various directory structures in a file system. So there are two major ways of arranging two major ways of arranging your directories, or two implementations of arranging your directories in the file system. We have the single level directory and we have the tree structure. The single level directory is just quite straightforward. It's just you have a bunch of files and that's your directory. Like basically there's just one level. So there are only files composed in the single level directory. So if you want to get, let's say for instance, the blue file, you just get your blue file by its name, you get your red file by its name, and the numbers within the file is a starting block within the storage device. So you know that the blue file has, this is the blue file, and in your storage device, this is like the starting block, the index. So from that you'll be able to fetch the file. Yeah, so this is the single library directory. It's very simple, and I guess there are different ways. If you want to implement this, you can implement this as an array of just files, or maybe as a hash map with just one key, and that's like the directory, which can be the roots directory. Then the tree structure is a lot more complex but much more versatile. So the tree structure lets you have a root directory, and then it also lets you, like, the trees can either be a file which will it has children, which can either be a directory, another directory, or another file, or a file. So in many ways, like so this is one file which is in this directory, then this is another directory that has its own children. So each files and other directories can be siblings, and some directories might not even have children, so they end up becoming a leaf node. The same applies over here. So this is actually how a lot of file systems work. Like they are all arranged in this hierarchy of trees, and to implement this, obviously you need a tree data structure to just like get this done. And I think another way you can actually implement this is by using a clever way of using even a hash map, where this is going to be like the roots, and from the roots you can have files. Like, just there are different ways that this can be implemented. Yeah. So these are the various directory structures, and in the next video I will begin implementing my virtual file system, which will kind of like make all of these ideas I've introduced in the previous videos to come to light. Thank you.